Negating past tense. Negating means using not. I ate this morning. I did not eat this morning. So let's do it in Arabic language and let's see how we negate past tense. Previously, I did a lot of videos about past tense. Also, I did video about negating Arabic verbs, past, present, future. Everything were in one video. This one is specific about past tense. We have two ways to negate past tense. The first one, you precede the past tense verb by ما. ما ذهبت. I did not go. The other way, you precede present tense by لم. لم أذهب. I did not go. In English, the second one is the one equivalent to English 100% because I'm using it with the present tense. In English, you say, I did not go. The first one, ما ذهبت, which is also correct, but here I'm using it with past tense. Like when you say, I did not went, which is wrong in English. You did not say, I did not went. You say, I did not go, which is لم أذهب. In Arabic, both of them are correct. But if you want to use ما, follow it by past tense. If you want to use لم, follow it by present tense. And both of them are correct ways to negate past tense. قرأت, درست, درست. Let's negate all these verbs. ما قرأت. Pay attention, I'm using past tense. ما قرأت. لم أقرأ. I'm using present tense. ما درست. Past. لم أدرس. Present. ما درست. Past. لم تدرس. Present. Pay attention, when you use لم, the present tense has to take سكون. It's not anymore ضمة. It has to take the حركات and the حركة should be سكون. قرأت. ما قرأت. ما. Again, you use it with past tense. لم أقرأ. لم, use it with present tense. You have to be careful when you negate past tense. If you decided to use ما, then follow it by past tense. If you decided to use لم, then follow it by present tense and change the حركة for the present tense to سكون. More practicing. كتب, سكنوا, درس, ذهبت. Let's negate. ما كتب, I'm using past tense. ما سكنوا, past tense. ما درس, ما ذهبت. If you want to use ما, follow it by past tense. If you want to use لم, follow it by present tense. And don't forget the سكون at the end. لم يكتب, لم يسكنوا, لم يدرس, لم تذهب. Remember, if you want to use ما, follow it by past tense. If you want to use لم, follow it by present tense. ما ذهبت, لم أذهب.